Hi guys, here we have a Empire 90 with a nickel tank, which I haven't seen one of those. It actually was sold as a 43, and I bought it as a 43 because it had the oscillating cylinder, not the normal piston type. But when I got it, underneath it, it said 90. On top of it, the cell didn't really show at the top level, but when I got it, the fitting here was completely filled up with solder, like to this pin here. Let me bring it in closer. So solder was caked up all the way around, all the way to the top, and it looked like they got it actually on top of the fitting and used a coarse file to file it down even, right? And when they did that, they actually filed all the way around. You can see the scratch marks going all the way out, all the way around. And it's like this all the way around. It's unfortunate because if it wasn't for this, this would be a great looking little engine. It also was missing the sight glass and its little slip nuts, which didn't concern me because I had spare slip nuts and I'm able to replace sight glass. It also was missing the seals. Thankfully it had the whistle and whistle base. The steam line was inverted, which actually caused me a whole bunch of problems of getting it to work because it was causing pushing on this here and some geometry problems. On the pivot screw that's in here, it just had a nut in between the screw head and the back plate, and is actually supposed to be a spring, so that was a problem. It also was missing its two little lock nuts that go in between the oscillator and the screw. So it was just all kinds of weird problems going on to where they were trying to work on it. The heater was good, but of course they had it all apart, and most of the mica, at least half of it, was cracked in half or missing, and so I had to replace the mica with some of my sheets I got from McAllister. Anyway, after all that, and almost throwing it into the parts box because I was so frustrated I couldn't get it running, she's now running. Whistle sounds great. After she's steamed up, she will slow down. I could probably do some more adjustment and trying to getting the seam to seal better around the oscillator. But I don't know. I'm risk probably making it worse. There's so much steam loss in between this type of a piston. It's hard to get it just right, but you do have to get it just right for it to be a really strong runner. Though considering it wasn't running at all and all the problems that it had, I'm thankful that it's running as well as it is. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye now.